Hello and welcome to eLifeStyle TV. It's everything lifestyle. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our posts as well. Turn on the notification button so you can be notified whenever there's a new upload. Okay, so today's edition we're going to talk about things we need to consider before setting a date for a wedding. Most of the time we just want to focus on the event and not really look at what we are going to get ourselves into. The wedding, the marriage itself, is it worth it? Have we looked at all these factors? So let's just delve into it as we take notes of these things. So first of all, we're going to look at our partner's health status. Our partner's health status and health records. So make sure you know about your partner's health status. Ensure you have run the necessary tests to confirm if the two of you are really compatible, because all these things can go a long way to affect your marriage or even your kids in the long run. Okay, so the next thing you need to consider before saying yes I do or fixing the date for your wedding is your partner's childhood traumas or upbringing. Most of us, or most people, did not really have the best of childhood experiences as others did. For some, they actually had parents by their side who helped them as they grew, whereas the others had to actually struggle their way through. So please ensure you know your partner's childhood traumas and a lot about his or her upbringing, and also know what he also thinks about bringing up children, because some people have different perceptions about how to groom kids and nurture them. Okay, so the next thing we would want to look at is the emotional intelligence of your partner. Is your partner the type that would want issues resolved, or he or she would like to hold on to grudges for as long as they can? All these things really affect our relationships one way or the other, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to marry someone who would end up holding your past against you even in marriages. So please, let's take a critical look at this so it doesn't affect our marriage. And if you are not sure about all these things, please see a therapist if there's a need for that, because it really goes a long way to affect you. Thank you very much for coming this far with us. I hope you enjoyed today's session, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Like and comment on the post as well. Thank you.